There are multiple ways to import data into ISMinistr0ManualDataImports for ITSM, such as scheduling imports, using quick actions, and using workflows. In this course, we'll cover how to perform a manual file import. Manual file imports are useful for one-time imports or for setting up a data import connection that you can use repeatedly. Let's consider a manual import scenario to help contextualize the process. Within your Avanti Neurons for ITSM environment, you've created a hotel events business object that contains information on various events happening in your hotel chain. You need to update the event list, and will do so by manually importing new events via an Excel file. To get started, log into Avanti Neurons for ITSM and select the administrator role. Click Settings and scroll down and select Integration Tools. Next, on the Integration Tools Setup wizard, select the Data Import option by clicking Start. Alternatively, you also have the option to select Data Import Connection under the Integration Tools submenu. The Connection Manager opens and displays the existing import connections. Since you want to create a new import, select Add New. Next, enter your connection name and connection type. As you can see, there are several connection types available. Since we want to do a manual import, select Manual File Upload. Next, you need to define the source or file you want to import. Clicking the Upload folder icon, you can browse and select your desired file. Under File Information, you can see that the system recognizes the file type and auto-populates several of the formatting fields below. It's generally a good idea to test your connections, so click the Test Connection button. You can see that each tested item was successful, so close out of this window. When finished with the connection setting page, click Next. On the Object Mapping page, you need to make sure you select a unique identifier. The system automatically reads your import file and provides you with several options. In this case, your Excel spreadsheet has an event date, event name, an event number, and an event location. You have the option to select either one or multiple source unique keys, but for our example, we'll select location as your only unique identifier. Next, you need to select your target business object. In this case, the Hotel Events business object. Typing in hotel and clicking the Filter by Name button, you can quickly narrow down and select your desired business object, Hotel Events by Location. When finished with this page, click Next. The filter setting allows you to filter specific data you'd like to pull from your file. To begin, click the Create Filter button. Next, click the Select Field drop-down, which is populated with the names of various fields on your Excel spreadsheet. For purposes of demonstration, we'll select event number, greater than, and enter in a value of 5. You can also add more filters by clicking the plus icon. Once finished, click Next. The Field Mapping page allows you to dictate which data field from your source file pairs with the field from your selected business object. It does this automatically where it can. If you notice any missing fields, you can also map those. To create new fields, click the plus icon. Finally, the Review and Publish page allows you to do just what its name implies. Start by previewing what your data import will look like in the system. Clicking Preview, you can see a sample of what the data will look like when it's imported. The last two options available are Publish and Run Now and Publish and Test Run. Publish and Run Now runs the import immediately and places it on the import schedule, while Publish and Test Run runs the import with only the first batch of 200 records. If errors or problems occur on the scheduled job, you can go back to your data and troubleshoot before running the entire job. Wanting to play it safe, select the Publish and Test Run option. Next, you need to find your connection, events by hotel location, and select Run Now. The system requires you to select the source file once more, so open your Hotel Events Excel file again. Returning to the console, check to verify that your import was successful. Changing your role back to Service Desk Analyst, open the Hotel Events workspace and scroll down to the bottom of your list. You can see 3 new records indicating that your import was, in fact, successful.